All M5 10mm socket head cap screws used in this video will require an M5 washer. First, take one T-slot nut and insert it into the side rail of a 300mm aluminum extrusion. Next, take one of the 10mm M5 socket head cap screws along with its accompanying M5 washer and secure one of the lower right bottom vertices to the T-slot nut in the aluminum extrusion. Then, place another M5 screw and washer through the hole that lines up with the end of the aluminum extrusion. Now, add 3 more T-slot nuts to the same side rail on the aluminum extrusion and repeat the process, securing the bottom lower left vertices to the opposite end of the aluminum extrusion. Once you have assembled both vertices onto the aluminum extrusion, repeat the process and assemble the remaining 2 vertices onto another 300mm extrusion. However, where the first set had a total of 4 T-slot nuts in the side rail of the extrusion, the second set should only have 3. The one with 3 will end up being the front of your printer, and the one with 4, the back. Now place the 2 ends about 42 centimeters apart, and place 4 T-slot nuts into the side rail of a 420mm extrusion. Position the extrusion between the 2 ends so that the T-slot nuts are facing laterally, and secure the extrusion at both ends to the lower vertices with an M5 screw and washer. Rotate the frame 180 degrees and repeat the process, assuring the T-slot nuts are facing laterally on both sides. Turn the base until the back, or the end with 2 freely moving T-slot nuts, is facing you. Assemble another 300mm extrusion, only this time place 2 T-slot nuts in each rail of the extrusion except the bottom one. Rotate the printer 180 degrees and repeat the process. Only in the second upper end extrusion, place 3 T-slot nuts in the outer rail. Again, this will be the front. The other end will have 1 free T-slot facing you on both the top and bottom 300mm extrusion, which will be the back. Locate 2 more 420mm extrusions. Unlike the 420s in the bottom, however, these will get 4 T-slots in the side rail, as well as 2 T-slots in the top rail. Once assembled, rotate the printer 180 degrees and repeat the process with another 420mm extrusion. If you're using the new linear rail system for your Y-axis, you'll want to disregard this next step, as it will be obsolete to you. If you're using 8mm steel rods and bushings, make the Y-axis rod mount flush with the top of the base and 60mm from either side of the base. You can use either the Y-rod jig that comes with our printed parts kit or a digital caliper.